Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Short Stories of Maulana Hazar Imam. Story 1. Maulana Hazar Imam for the first time visited Tajikistan between 22nd May 1995 and 29th May 1995 to grace Didar to the Smileys. The fourth and the last Didar was at Ruhsang on 27th May 1995 at about 10 am, where the Smileys had swarmed like locusts at about 6 am. On the other hand, the Imam's car started at 9 am. On his route, there appeared a square junction where the Imam stopped car. There were a gas station, a coffee house, and a handicraft store. The Imam entered the shop of the handicraft and watched the displayed items minutely. The Imam took a small bowl wherein Surah Fatiha was engraved. The Imam asked its price at the counter. He was told $10. The Imam asked his secretary to give him $20 and then put the bowl in his coat's pocket. Then they reached the destination. The Imam saw some smoke on the hill. Being asked, the Imam was informed that on the hilltop resided the Smileys. All of them have come down for the Didar except the senior persons. The Imam looked at his watch when it was 9:45 am. The Imam said, "First we go on the hill." The Imam's car slowly ascended through the course and zigzag track and reached. There about 80 old persons saw the Imam coming out of the car. They sat down wherever were stood and prostrated with folding hands. The Imam told them to make a raw and granted them Didar. The Ismailis were happy, with tears streamed in their eyes. Upon the departure, the Imam asked, "Is there any problem?" All of them were silent. The Imam repeated. Hence one old lady took a lead and came forward and said, "Maula, the engineers of the Russian Mineralogical Department discovered that there is much gravity of the magnetic plant stone beneath our hill. It is causing miscarriage cases of the pregnant woman." Then the Imam took out from his pocket that bowl contained Surah Fatiha and gave her and said, "You put water into the bowl and recite Naat Ali. Then give it to the pregnant woman to drink. Inshallah, I hope their problems will be shunned." Before sitting inside the car, the Imam said, "You infuse in mind, when the Aga Khan Health Board will open here the maternity home in future, then this bowl will be inactive. Story 2. On 5th November 1991 in Kharadar Jamaat Khana, one woman implored before Hazar Imam in her mehmani that she had waited for 3 years for a name for her child. The leaders passed on woman's verbal message to the Imam in English. Meanwhile, the woman asked the leader, "But you did not tell the Imam whether I wanted a name for a son or a daughter." Hearing it, Hazar Imam burst out laughing and said, I know, I named your child Kareem." And indeed, her child was a boy aged 3 years.